So far, we have learned so many things in Python, in which we have already covered the basics and the fundamentals of the Python, in which we have learned that how to create a Python file, uh, how to make a conditional statements, looping statements, variables, data types, and some inbuilt module like math module we have learned in the previous tutorials. So the basics has been finished. And from here I'm going to start some advanced topics in which I'm going to cover the string, tuple, set, dictionary, list. So after that you will get the advanced topics of the Python. So first topic that I will cover in that series, in that part, is the string. A string handling is very important in any programming language. If I say the string manipulation is very important in terms of the application, so it is not wrong. Okay, so if you want to learn that how to manipulate the string in Python, then you have to understand the string properly, the strings methods, the declaration, the string module. So everything you have to understand very well. So from here I'm going to create videos on the string and string handling. So just understand the string manipulations very carefully. After that, you will be able to write the code and you will be able to handle the strings in Python very easily. So first of all, understand few points that is very important related to the string. First point is a string is a collection of characters. So whenever you declare any string, you create actually group of characters. We can create them simply by enclosing the characters in quotes. Quotes means double inverted comma, a single inverted comma, triple inverted comma. So you can create a string by using any quotes. Python treats single quotes and double quotes same. So if you declare any string by using single inverted comma and double inverted comma, it doesn't matter. Yes, by using triple inverted comma, why we use, I'll show you with the example. And strings are ordered block of text. This is very important. Whenever you see any statement related to any object, that is, it is ordered collection of elements, just uh, get a point that it means that every element will be arranged in some order, means on the basis of indexes, means first value will be at some position, that is 0, second value will be at position number 1, and so on. So this is the meaning of ordered. So string are ordered, it means it will be based on the indexed. So we'll see that which type of the index are available in Python also. So as I said, a string can be declared by using quotes. So you can use single quotes, double quotes, and triple quotes. So it doesn't matter. So if you want to declare any string, then you can write into the single inverted comma by using any variable. For example, I want to declare any name variable. Then I can write name is equal. In single inverted comma, I can write Daneyal. Then I want to store the mobile number. Then I can write mobile is equal by using double inverted comma. So both are same. But the triple inverted comma is important. Triple inverted comma, by using this, you can enter a multi-line string. Multi-line string means you can enter a paragraph. Okay. By using these two, by using single inverted comma and double inverted comma, you cannot enter multi-line string. Okay. So by using triple inverted comma, you can input the a paragraph, an address type of thing. Okay. So this is the use of the quotes. And when you declare any object like this, then it is called the string literals. These are called the literals that you write right side of the equal symbol to declare, to create any string type of the object. Okay. So to show this, I can write like, if I write name is equal, and by using single inverted comma, so I can write Daneyal, Lari. Okay. And if you want to get the values, then you can access the value by using variable name. So as you can see, by using variable name, I can access it. Similarly, if you have any, for example, mobile number, then you can write into double inverted comma. Okay, so double inverted comma, you can write anything, it doesn't matter, but you cannot write in into multi-line. Okay, let me show you. Print mobile. Okay, so it will show you the name and mobile number. Just look at it. If I try to do multi-line string, if I write this, then you can see here one special character is assigned that is called slash. Okay, and we have already seen that how to write the multi-line string, multi-line statement in the previous tutorial. So this is not the way to use the multi-line string. For that, a special code means triple inverted comma you can use. Okay, by using this, I can write, for example, if I write my full name, Muhammad Daneyal, then I can write Hassan and I can write the Lari. Then you can see there is no special character. Okay, this is the full name, and I want to print the name as full name. Then you can see here that it will show as it is as you store the value into the object. Okay, one more thing that you can do is by using double triple inverted comma, or by using single triple inverted comma, you can do the same. Okay, let's look at it. Only thing that you need to remember is if you start any string by single inverted comma, it must be end with single inverted comma. If you start any string by triple single quotes, then it must be end with triple single quotes. Okay, this is a key point that you need to remember. So this is the way that you can declare any string in your Python. One more thing I want to discuss in this tutorial, that is indexing. As I said, strings are ordered collection of characters. So ordered collection means it will follow the indexes. And remember this one, indexes always starts from 0. If I talk about in the positive terms, okay. So always it starts from the 0 until the length of that string minus 1, the size of that string minus 1, the indexes will be. So if I store a string like look at here, if I store the value as Daneyal, then you can see here total number of characters are 7. Okay, so indexes always start from the 0 to length of that string minus 1. Okay, it means it will be 0 to 6. Just look at here, 0 to 6, and every character will be at its own index. So D will be at 0th index, A will be at first index, N will be second, E at third index, and so on. Okay, and Python also supports the negative indexes. Okay, so negative indexes always starts from the right side to the left side. Okay, and always starts from -1. Okay, because 0 is included in positive, so negative will always start from the -1 to the length of that string from right to left. So I can say here is if I say into the negative index, then it will starts from minus length of that string to -1. Okay, just look at it. So the length of this string is 7, so -7 to -1. Just look at here. And if I say that from right to left, then -1 to the minus length of that string. If you want to access any character from any index, then you can access by any character by using index. Then you can write one small piece of code. For example, if you want to access the 0th index character, okay, so 0th index character you can access by writing the first of all your string object name, and after that you will write the index operator. This is called the square bracket, and after that you will write your index. For example, if I write 0, then I can access the 0th index character. Just look at here. So 0th index character is D, and similarly if I write -7, okay, so it will return again the D because it is the -7. So this is the way that you can declare and access any character from this string. So this is the simplest way and the whole thing that you can do to declare any string. And whenever you take any input from the user, then it is also follow the same rules. One more thing that is very important, if I just want to recall this one. Strings are immutable object. We have seen the previous tutorial, where I have already discussed immutability and mutability concept. So strings are under the category of uh, under the category of immutable object. What is the meaning of immutability? We cannot change the sequence of character encapsulated in a string object, and each operation on that object will produce a new string object. So if you try to make change by, suppose we know that the zeroth index, the value at zeroth index is d, but I want to change uh, I want to make change from capital D to small d. Okay, so I can write like this. So if I try to do so, then just look at here. First of all, this operation is not valid because you cannot make changes into the immutable type of object. Operation means the functionality. If you try to perform, then it will create a new object. This is not operation you are trying to assign. So for the immutable object, there are two possibilities. One is if you try to make changes, it can raise any exception, error, and suppose if exception is not occurred, then if that object gets changed, then it will create a new object. Just remember this one. Okay, so this is not possible in case of a string. The operation part I'll discuss later. So that's all for this video. I hope the string declarations are clear now. Just do the practice. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, and share this video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, then please subscribe and learn the Python in very easy way. Thank you. Bye-bye.